And we're back. Surgery was a success. I can see you, but you can't see me. It's very bright in here, and I still have a couple days of recovering to do, but everything's all good to go, and just wear these all the time so that obviously I don't get anything in my eye. So I was advised by my stay-at-home nurse that I must take it easy and not work too hard out here. So we're going to get the water pump on, I think. We're going to do stuff like that, clean up some of those bolts, get that ready to go. Again, I did paint all these up. I do have another pulley for the harmonic that I'm going to clean up and paint as well. So I got that all ready to go in the drill press. And yeah, we'll just knock out a few things, get some brackets cleaned up, and probably get that front of that engine put back together. That'll be really nice. So let's go. Okay, so all that stuff's nice and cleaned up. We got some bolts soaking. We're gonna paint all that stuff. We got a new pulley for the belt tensioner, a nice steel one instead of the plastic one. The old one, I don't know if you can hear it. Heater just came up. Kind of crunchy. So we're gonna replace that with a nice steel one. Probably maybe throw a little bit of gold on here too. We'll see about that. All the rest of the brackets, all the stuff has been wire wheeled and now will be degreased. And then we'll throw a bit of silver paint on here to kind of match up to the rest of the front stuff. And we'll start assembling tomorrow once the paint is dry. So I think that'll be good for tonight. And we'll get this stuff going. So let's get started. It is the next day, and the parts are dry. So we've got some nice pulleys. This is for the harmonic, water pump, power steering pump. All the brackets are done. We've got a AC delete pulley from an 85. I heard will work. We'll see. And the belt tensioner. So we put a new pulley on here. The other one was shot. And hopefully this tensioner works out pretty good because they don't sell them on Rock Auto. So maybe I'll look into getting a replacement just as a spare because I'm not sure if this is going to be jumping around and stuff, but it should work for now. That's good. Got some new bolts and we're going to start assembling the stuff. I'm going to time the car first so I can use the bolts. The valve cover's on. I got a little extra surprise for the valve covers to hold the spark plug wires, which came in yesterday. And then I can put this pulley on. I have the 3 bolts for that pulley, but I still haven't found the harmonic balancer bolt. It's here somewhere. It's got to be. Otherwise, I'll have to buy one, I guess, or find one that works. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started putting this stuff together. And yeah, let's go. Timing set. Water pump is on. Belt tensioner bracket is on. Harmonic pulley's on. And the distributor's in. We're gonna put this valve cover back on. We're gonna start tighten those down as well. And we're gonna put the power steering bracket on here as well and get that pump in. It's coming together pretty nice. Alright, so as you can see, we're going very nicely. Everything's going together nice. We've got some spark plugs on. We're going to continue on the other side, but just wanted to bring you in to show you that the ends of these spark plugs don't really fit through here, or at least didn't until I did a little modification. So on the end here, there's a metal ring that keeps this kind of tight. And what I did was took the clip retainer pliers and just spread these out a bit so this metal ring was able to expand, and then I kind of fished it through with a little bit of oil, and now it's through. So once I install it into the car, I can fish this back over the spark plug, and then it won't rub on the header and won't melt the wire like it did before. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing that. On the other side, the LEDs have to be cut down to size. They're usually about this long from, I think I got them from Amazon, but yeah, I'd like to do a little bit of green accent or something like that. So we're going to continue on and move on to that. As this keeps getting back together, there will be another video on the rack and pinion. That is next for sure. So that'll have its own video. It's going to be a huge job looking at the instructions. And then, yeah, we'll do that. Also, this 85 AC delete pulley did not work for me. So I haven't quite figured out how it's going to go on yet, or even if I'm going to use it. It's unfortunate, but oh, my light just died. So yeah, we'll end the video here then. We need some batteries. But yeah, either way, it's going together really nicely. We're going to run some wires and some cables and some tubing as well in the next video once we get that rack and pinion installed. I don't want to put too many more things down there because it was such a pain in the butt to get it out with all the stuff there. So with the rad gone and stuff like that, I can fish in the rack and pinion real easy. So that'll be good. So yeah, thanks for watching. This has been another huge progress video. So we're making moves. We're almost there. So it's going to be fantastic to hopefully start it up at some point in the next few weeks, maybe if we keep hustling like we are now. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.